everybody, this is McKatie with FarmPass, and I'm going to show you guys how to quickly link up your posts and link up your Facebook pages, which really helps because you guys have so many amazing pictures and posts and things that you're showing on Facebook, but you're not necessarily capitalizing on it. So we're going to teach you how to do that today because let's say somebody sees your post and, oh, that's so amazing, I want to come to your maze, but then they don't purchase tickets at the point that they're having that incentive and they don't ever end up coming. And so you're losing a lot of traction, a lot of money when you've got a great post, but you've got to capitalize on it. So let's show you how to do it. So first you've got your home site, which I'm going to be using Maze Play for this example. And you've got these buttons at the top and then all of your information down here as you go down the page. So we're going to head back up. And it says Edit Shop Now. This is my page, so I can edit it, and we'll show you what it looks like from the other side. I'm going to click Test Button, and that's and then it'll take you to yours, but let's do Edit Button first. You can do Follow, all of these others, Block Now, Chat, Contact Us, blah, 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 blah. But you want to come down to the very bottom where it says Shop Now, and create that button link, and then you're going to type in the website that you want. So I did farmpass.com just as an example, but you're going to put your ticketing site's address and then click Save, and once again we'll show you what that looks like from the customer's standpoint. That way you can really optimize your marketing and getting people to purchase your tickets. So also within your posts you always want to be having a place where your tickets are linked. So you're going to go in and you're going to choose one of your amazing photos. So a lot of people have done sunflower patches recently, so I'm just going to pick a cool looking sunflower picture. Oop, there's one. Open. That'll load, and then you want to type something short and sweet that shows what you're doing. So I'm going to do the sunflowers are blooming. And then I'm also going to put come visit, or let's come enjoy the sunshine or sunlight. And then buy your tickets now. Or let's be more direct. Buy tickets at, or buy tickets now at. And then you're going to go to your site, or I'm going to go on and find the FarmPass test site. Oops. Fix that real quick. There we go. So there's our site. I'm going to copy. I'm going to come back, and all you have to do is paste it. So double click and paste it in there, and then it automatically highlights. And that's simple. You don't want something too big that people have to read for a while. It's just quick blurps that people get reminded, hey, this is where you need to find it at. So we suggest putting these, and then you click post. You want to make sure that these are in all of your posts, constantly giving people places to buy your tickets.
Now that we've shown you how to set it up, we're going to show you what it looks like from your customer standpoint. So this is once again our Facebook page, and yours will be in here. But it's got that great big blue Shop Now button, and you've linked it to your tickets. So now whether it's in a post or at the top of the page, which put both, now your customers can easily access your ticketing site, therefore getting you a lot more money and getting a lot more people to buy tickets and come enjoy your awesome location and maze. So hopefully this has helped you out a little bit, and good luck.